Stupid. So the second part of the video here, I have to do it again. Well, whatever. I'm not going to do it again. Hopefully people can see it now. Oh. This happens all the time. Class is laughing at me. Seb is laughing at me. She, I let her down. Alright, you won this round. So just to walk back really, really quickly for those people watching at home. Garbage. It's kind of ruin my flow. I'm spontaneous. I don't practice it. So really, really quickly for those people at home, what we wanted to do is find this angle, angle D, and if we were to get the scenario, you would do all this math that we have up here. This is so. Whatever. I'll just, when I see you in class, core B, we'll have to do this example again. But I think you can follow along. You can see the math where we got this, and let's put the rationale. The 60.92 degrees is when you want to find the angle D, and again, you know it's supposed to be obtuse. And your classmate said, well, subtract 180 minus that 60.92, and that's the reason with these supplementary angles there. That's the reason. Now, you never have to do this for me, ladies and gentlemen, but a lot of you know this from grade 9. So then now when we want to solve this, find angle E. It's the same idea, except 180 degrees minus that 35 degrees plus that 119.08 degrees. Let's do that really quickly. 119.08 plus 35, oopsie, 35, 180 minus that into. And I think, so I'll double check my math, 25.92. Thank you. So that angle E is clearly smaller than that 84 from the case 1. And then you do the same thing, E over sine E, which is F over sine F. And then E is equal to, what's that, 42 times the sine of 25.92 degrees all over the sine of 35. So notice where the numbers are coming from. So 42 times sine of 25.92 divided by sine of 35. Very 2.00. So we'll double check that I did the rest. Yeah. Thank you. So for people watching at home, the reason why, just really, really quickly, why we're allowed to do this, and let's just zoom in so people can see it better. This triangle, when I drew it, that was the 60.92 that I labeled. And your classmate, Eric, actually noticed, when the side actually swings to this other side, this triangle that I'm tracing with my fingers, we'll trace it with the brown chalk. Maybe it doesn't show up on the camera. But that triangle is an isosceles triangle, and if that's 42 and that's 42, that means this base angle, 60.92, is also 60.92. Which again is not what we want. We want this orange triangle, which is why your classmate said, use a supplementary angle. That's 60.92 outside of the angle, which is not in the triangle. We want this related supplementary angle, which is 119.08.